up you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? So today's video is about how to take care of yourself when you are chumming. If you don't know what chumming is, it's like a cool slang for periods. I'm not going to be talking about a pamper routine as such because I swear to God I cannot be bothered when I'm on my periods. Like, leave me the fuck alone. So I'm going to talk about a few things that help me when I'm cramping really hard. It doesn't happen as much as it used to before, but it still happens on and off. Like, not every month, but like every few months I do cramp really bad. So I'm actually going to share a few things that help me while I'm cramping, and trust me, these things work 99% of the time. If you're in that 1%, I am so sorry for you. I have made all of my girlfriends try all my period tricks and they've loved it, even though they've made like faces while doing it, but they've loved it in the end. Okay, also, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know about this huge trend that I started, which is the Ajwain ghee wali chai, and most of you guys have already tried it out by now, I'm pretty sure, because I keep getting so many DMs, and I also keep getting tagged in your stories about how you guys have tried it out and you've, you know, like, you got over the cramp and all of that, and I'm like, you're welcome. And as much as I would like to take the credit for the Ajwain ghee wali chai, it's not my invention. It was invented by someone, okay, in the north. If you're a Punjabi girl, I think you already know about this chai, which is like this miraculous, this magical tea that just gets your cramping situation like this. Apart from that, I'm also going to be talking about a few things that I use while I'm cramping and while I'm on my periods. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. It's been about 3 years since I made the switch from sanitary pads to tampons, and I could not have been happier, you guys, because tampons legit have changed my life. I understand it's a very personal choice. I'm not even gonna like push you guys to try out tampons, but in my opinion, in my case, tampons were slightly better than using a sanitary pad. Now, if you guys have PCOD or any other problem as such, then you might want to check with your gynac, because in a lot of cases, tampons are not really advised. Also, when you're wearing tampons, you have to remember to change them every 2 to 3 hours. So that's one thing you cannot forget. You cannot sleep wearing a tampon, okay? Never do that. Just giving you guys a disclaimer, not to scare you guys or anything, because I've been wearing tampons for about 3 years now, and I've been super careful about how I use them and how I change them, etc. So I'm just also gonna you know, make you guys aware of this thing called as TSS, which is toxic shock syndrome, and a person can actually die from it. That happens if you wear the tampon for way too long and you sleep with it. So that does not generally happen, but it's always advised to change your tampons every 2 to 3 hours, and at night always wear a sanitary pad. Do not sleep wearing a tampon. I'm going to show you what tampon I use. So there's no particular brand as such. The only thing that I care about is having an applicator with the tampon, because I cannot use regular tampons where you have to use your finger and just push it up. I feel it's very unhygienic, and I just don't like the whole vibe of, you know, it's just too unhygienic for me, to be honest. A lot of people don't mind it, but for me, I really need an applicator. I cannot do without an applicator, okay? So it's very difficult to get your hands on tampons which come with applicators here in India. So I like to go buy from this one store called as Beautiful. I'm not sure if this store is like across India, because they do have a few stores here in Mumbai. Yeah, so that is where I get my tampons from in case if I run out of them. The store is like a backup option, because they sell the applicator ones very expensive. What I generally do is that whenever I'm traveling abroad, I like to stock up on all of my tampons, okay? Like, I get 6 months worth of supply every time I travel. It's funny because my suitcase, one section of my suitcase legit only has tampons. It is hilarious. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna show you what a tampon with applicator actually looks like. So this is a tampon, and this bit is the applicator. Inside you have this cotton thingy which actually goes up. The whole plastic thing then comes out. Okay? What you're supposed to do is put the tip of the tampon inside a little bit, and then with the help of you know, the lower portion, you're supposed to just push it up like that. Oh wow, I ruined a tampon. I cannot use it now. Once it's up, you can just very easily roll this part out, and this is just there doing its job. Okay, I'm gonna try and put this back in because I don't want to waste a tampon, you guys. I don't want to waste a tampon. Come on. What happened? We officially wasted one. The sanitary pad ka dabba sent to me by this brand called Laika. It's premium sanitary pads, and the quality is actually very nice. If you were looking for really high quality sanitary napkins which do not irritate your skin and everything, then you could definitely try this one out. I was sold at this, okay, because I need something that I can actually dump my stuff in, you know what I mean? Show you the length of this. It's pretty long and it absorbs quite a bit, you guys. So at night I need something which is very long so that it does not stain my sheets and everything. And you guys know what I mean, right? Like if you use a regular sized sanitary pad at night, you are definitely gonna stain your sheet. So always be careful. Use an extra large sanitary pad with wings. Always. Another thing that you guys need to have are panty liners. I think I spoke about panty liners in my feminine hygiene video as well, and I just want to talk about this again because I use panty liners quite often. I mean, I use them during the last days of my periods, you know, around the time when you spot, you know, just here and there. You do not want to waste your sanitary napkin on just spotting, so I like to use panty liners on those days just to be safe, you know. And yeah, I mean, they come really handy. They're like these thin tiny baby sanitary napkins. Actually, I think every girl should have it. It's like you need to have these, okay? These are life-changing. So yeah, these were some of the products that I use during my periods. Apart from this, you guys can also go for hot compress in case if you cramp really hard, and medicines are an option. I mean, you would want to consult with your gynac with what medicine you want to go for, but personally I am not very pro medicines. If you can, you know, treat and relieve your cramps without having to take medicines, that's the best. I think it's finally time to share the recipe of the ajwain ghee wali chai, which you guys have been waiting for. Now it's very simple. It's almost like your regular chai. The first thing, you want to add water, and to that I'm going to add chai patti and chini, and here is when I will add ajwain. Okay, you want to let it boil for about like 30-40 seconds. Once it comes to a boil, you want to add your milk to it. Now you guys can go ahead and not add milk. I mean, it's totally your call, but I've never had it without milk, so I don't know how it would taste. To a boil, and then you strain it in a cup, and this is where you add the ghee. So I basically use less than half a tablespoon, like almost quarter tablespoon of ghee, and that is it. I'm just gonna, you know, drink it like this. So give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. It almost works 99% of the times, and people have always come to me with like good duai and stuff. Okay, that is it. This is my period routine, or whatever you want to call it. It's not a pamper routine because I don't really have a pamper routine, as I said, but these are the things that I generally do. You guys can also tell me what you do, because if there's something interesting, I would love to give it a try. And that is it for today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also share it with a friend, because trust me, you will be saving lives. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And with that, it's a wrap for today. I'll see you guys next time.